Hi, I'm Jason Wilk with ECHO Incorporated, and in today's video we'll be showing you how to install a 90154Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on this handheld blower. In order to install a YouCan maintenance tune-up kit, a few things we'll need first is, of course, safety glasses. We'll need a 19mm spark plug wrench or combination wrench, such as this one. And then we'll also need a piece of wire, such as like a coat hanger, that you can bend into the shape of a hook so that we can reach into the fuel tank to pull out the fuel filter. And of course, a 90154Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit. In order to replace the air filter, the first thing we're going to do is turn this ignition switch to the stop position. And then we're also going to make sure that the choke lever is in the cold start position, just to prevent any dirt or debris from falling into the carburetor. Next, we'll unscrew the air filter cover knob and remove the cover and the air filter. Installing the new air filter is really easy. We just take the new filter, place it into the air filter case, and then take the cover, position it back onto the unit, and tighten the cover with the center knob. In order to get to the fuel filter, which is inside this fuel tank here, we'll just need a piece of wire, such as a coat hanger bent into a little shape of a hook, so that we can go ahead, unthread the fuel cap, and then reach in there with our hook and pull out the fuel filter. In order to remove the old fuel filter, we just want to take note of this little fuel line clamp on the end here. We want to go ahead and hold that in position, pull the old filter off, and then making sure that clamp stays in place, slide the new filter in its place. Such as that. Once it's on there, we can go ahead and take the new filter and just push it back into the fuel tank and reinstall your fuel cap. In order to remove the spark plug, we'll grab the spark plug boot with our fingers, go and twist and pull that from the top of the spark plug. And then using our 19mm wrench, we'll go ahead and insert the wrench onto the spark plug and loosen the spark plug in a counterclockwise direction. Once it's loose, you can go ahead and completely remove it from the engine just by unscrewing with your fingers. To install the new spark plug, we'll go ahead and thread it with our fingers initially just into the top of the engine. Once the spark plug is finger tight, we'll come back with our 19mm wrench and go ahead and fully tighten in a clockwise direction until the spark plug is snug within the engine. Then we can go ahead and reinstall our spark plug boot onto the tip of the spark plug. This concludes the installation of the 90154Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on the ECHO PV251 blower. Now this kit does fit various models and installation procedures will be the same. So thanks for watching and be sure to check back for additional videos.